Jumping onto the Remedy homepage, in the top left corner, we have Tips for Success page. And on this page, we talk through a number of issues about how to get comfortable on your side. In my opinion, this pillow in front of your chest to support your upper arm is critical in keeping you comfortable on your side so that it doesn't apply too much pressure for your body to roll. I've found a thin pillow between your knee can also act as an immense support and helps keep you comfortable so your hips aren't always trying to roll as well. One of the things we've seen is if you have a saggy bed and your spine starts to sag, it gets uncomfortable when you're on your side. So our goal is, how do we find a good, comfortable green alignment, keeping you on your side? And that all comes back down to, one, making sure you have the right size bumper belt for your torso. Two, a good thick pillow under your head so your spine is aligned. A thick pillow in front of your chest for your upper elbow. And a thin pillow in between your knees. Hope this helps.